Hindi mo ba sinabi sa kanya?
Alin?
Na ako yung kasama mo sa video.
Alam niya. Mas nauna ka pa nga nakilala eh. Bakit? Nag-usap na ba kayo?
Would you believe she's downstairs right now cooking me brunch?
What? Abby, may sinabi ba siya tungkol sa akin?
Sinabi lang niya na break na kayo. Well, hindi naman talaga kayo naging officially na mag-boyfriend, diba?
She means, hindi niya ako kaya patawarin.
A poor girl living in a rich world. Named her baby Hope when she was just 14. She was hoping for a better world for this little girl, but the apple doesn't fall too far from the tree. When she gets that call, Hope's too far gone. Her baby's on the way with nothing left inside. Together we cry. What about the John play? Could have gone the whole way. Tighten up the stage, trying to get a deal. Now he's lighting up the wrong way. Something for the pain, man. You wanna see this kid? He was so unreal. When he gets that call, he's too far gone. Can get it together to sing one song. They won't hear tonight the words of a lullaby. Together we cry. Together we cry.
Naisip ko magsimba tayo. Kasi nung bata tayo, linggo-linggo tayo nagsisimba. Ayaw pa nga natin magpatid sa driver nun kasi gusto natin naglalakad tayo. Tapos after the mass, nag-light tayo ng candles, tsaka tayo nagpe-pray. Holding hands pa nga kasi diba best friends forever. Anong klaseng laro itong ginagawa mo, Meg? What are you talking about? You know. You knew na ako yung kasama ni Edge dun sa video. You know that I slept with him. Yeah. So anong klaseng kaplastikan tong ginagawa mo? Bakit hindi mo ako pinumura, sinasampal? Gusto mo ba ako mag-guilty? Sa mga nung maliliit pa tayo, blah 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 mo, yan bang drama mo, Meg? Nung maliliit pa tayo. Tigilan mo na ako, please, sa pag-stroll down mo ng memory lane. Nung maliliit pa tayo, pag may problema ako, ikaw yung lagi kong tinatakbuhan. And it always made me feel better. Na makasama ko yung best friend ko. And now, ngayon na nawala sa buhay ko, yung unang lalaking minahal ko. Ngayon ang sakit-sakit ng puso ko. Na hindi ko alam kung paano ko pa makakayanan to. I just needed to be with my best friend.
So, kumusta naman Kuya Edge mo?
Huh? He's okay. Well, actually, hindi. He was acting all weird this morning. Parang depressed. I I don't know what's wrong with him. Kung anong problema niya. Hindi naman nagsasabi. Bakit mo pala tinatanong si Kuya?
Wala lang. I care for you, di ba? So malamang I care about your family as well.
Ang sweet mo naman.